Looking for a dinner that is high in protein, low in fat, budget-friendly, and actually easy to make? This one-pot red lentil pasta is creamy, filling, healthy, and perfect for busy days. It uses simple ingredients, comes together fast, and tastes like comfort food without feeling heavy. Let's make it. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe that is perfect for anyone who wants a meal that is healthy, affordable, and simple to cook. This high-protein red lentil pasta is one of those easy dinners you can make any day of the week. It is packed with flavor, loaded with protein, and made in just one pot, which also means less cleanup. And the best part is, it feels rich and comforting while still staying light and balanced. For this recipe, you'll need red lentil pasta, onion, garlic, carrot, zucchini, tomato puree, water or broth, low-fat cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, olive oil, paprika, black pepper, salt, Italian herbs, and fresh parsley. You can also add white beans or a little light cheese if you want an extra protein boost. Start by heating 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and cook for about 2 minutes until it softens. Then add the minced garlic, grated carrot, and grated zucchini. Cook everything for another 2 to 3 minutes. These vegetables add natural sweetness, texture, and extra nutrition without making the recipe expensive. It's a simple trick that makes the sauce taste richer while keeping the meal light and healthy. Now add the paprika, black pepper, salt, and Italian herbs. Stir for a few seconds so the spices release their flavor. Then pour in the tomato puree and mix everything well. At this stage, the sauce already starts looking rich and vibrant. This is where the recipe begins to feel like true comfort food, even though it's still very balanced and low in fat. Next, add the red lentil pasta and pour in 2 cups of water or broth. Give it a good stir, bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally so the pasta cooks evenly and nothing sticks to the bottom. If the sauce becomes too thick, just add a small splash of water. You want the pasta tender and the sauce nicely creamy, not dry. And this is exactly why I love meals like this. You get the creamy, satisfying feeling of pasta, but with more protein, less fat, and a much better everyday balance. It is ideal for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep for the next day. Once the pasta is cooked and the sauce has thickened, lower the heat. Now add the low-fat cottage cheese and Greek yogurt. Stir well until everything becomes smooth, creamy, and rich. This step gives the dish a beautiful creamy texture without needing heavy cream or lots of cheese. It's one of the easiest ways to keep a recipe lighter while still making it feel indulgent and satisfying. If you want even more protein, you can add cooked white beans at this point. They blend in perfectly and make the meal even more filling. You can also finish with a little light cheese or nutritional yeast for extra flavor. Finish with some fresh parsley and a little chili flakes if you like some heat. And that's it. A simple one-pot pasta that is creamy, healthy, budget-friendly, and packed with protein. Serve it warm on its own or with a simple side salad. It's comforting enough for dinner, light enough for everyday eating, and practical enough for busy schedules. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy, healthy, and budget-friendly meals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.